Welcome to 5 Luo Words A Day. This is day number 58, and today we talk about Aora, apada, apaka, apala, and apama. So if you've not followed this session, please go back through day number 1 and roll through all the way to day number 58 to enjoy what we've been missing. So we start with Aora. Aora is a river or a stream. The plural is aore. Some people say aoche. Aoche or aore. Aora is a river or a stream. The second word is apada. Apada or apama. Apada is an arm position where the arm is bent forward and hand open with palm facing down. So, like this, if your arm is bent forward and your hand is open with the palm facing down like this. So this is apada, like that, okay? Then the third thing we are going to talk about is apaka. So what is apaka? Apaka is a wave. So in a sentence you can say apaka mager nyalo nimo yie. Apaka mager nyalo nimo yie. Rough waves can sink a boat. Like these ones here. Rough waves can sink a boat. Then the fourth word today is apala. Apala. Apala is white and brown markings similar to roan cattle, sheep, and goats. And it's used on cows. So even you say diang ma apala or diang marapala, then it means a cow that is has white and brown markings. Apala or rapala. Masculine is rapala, feminine ma is apala. Okay. And the last word of the day is apama. Apama is a false star grass or Coris pinotrix. Whoa, that's a handful. So that's a star grass, as you've seen in the picture. False star grass is called apama. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing to the channel and tell your friends that the 5 Luo Words A Day is on, and we are going on to day number 1000. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.